I briefly alluded to the reporting functions available to you in Dreamweaver 8. I'm going to spend a couple minutes now talking about them in a little more detail. All right, depending on what type of report you're trying to run, you can access a couple of reports directly by right-clicking folders and things like that. You can also go to Site, Reports. Okay, and we talked about this. We can see who's checked out, things like that. You can also go to Site and choose Check Links site-wide. So we can quickly come in here and run this. And it looks here like we only have one link that's broken, and that's our form mail, which we know is working, so that's fine. We can go to our validation, and it will quickly process. Looks like we've got some embed issues here and some break tags. So it'll go through and it'll quickly give us some information here. We can also do some really cool things, like we can find and replace not only text, but we can find and replace source code. So if we did accidentally, maybe our website address or phone number is 555, and we want to replace that with 555 4444, I can go in and say replace all. And oops, I think I didn't do it. The entire site. Entire site. We'll say replace all. There it goes. So it went and it modified all those pages. Very, very, very robust. Okay. Now it did not modify the template pages because we can do that directly from the template. So you have a number of different site reports that you can look at. You can check for broken links, check for target browsers, not only current page, but the entire site. But the most important one is that search and replace. We use this function all the time. You can save that out as a file that you can print later to show your boss that you really did do a bunch of work. So very, very useful to run those reports, check on your website, make sure that things are working the way you plan them to be working.